I'm going outside here only because my little friend Little Bear has to go potty. Otherwise, I wouldn't recommend going outside. And I've got gloves and this crazy Cabela's coat on with fur all around it. And I've got these boots that I've had for years that I've hardly ever had to use. But let's check this out and find out. Yeah, it's a little cold out. Hold on a minute. I hear some snow blowers going. I guess with my boots on, it's not so bad. Hear the wind. Oh, I just walked into a snowdrift. Oh, there's a snowdrift across there. You can hear that wind. Beautiful day. Sun. Oh my gosh, just a beautiful day. Here's the bucket. I had to walk, but there's the bucket that I dug under the snow. You hear that wind?